session, we're going to talk about YouTube APIs. So actually it's a 2-hour session. So the first part is going to be more general, and the second part after the break is going to be more technical. So depending on your level, if you want to attend other sessions, so if you don't want to stay for the 2 hours, you can choose to which one you prefer to stay. My name is Anna. I'm a technical account manager and I work with the YouTube partnership team. So I am based in Paris, I flew from Paris. And I will try to show you everything I know about the YouTube APIs today. So the agenda for the first part. First of all, I will show you some very interesting facts about YouTube. Hopefully you'll be as impressed as I am and everybody else. The next topic we're going to discuss is YouTube APIs, of course. So I will tell you a little bit more about the different APIs, the player API and the data APIs. These are the two APIs we're using on YouTube. And next, I'm going to show you some applications that are using YouTube APIs. So we're going to demo some of the applications. And the last part of this session is going to be YouTube Direct, which is a YouTube application, awesome application, and you'll probably like it a lot. So first, let's start to find out more about YouTube. Does any of you know the number of daily YouTube video views worldwide? 4 million. Right question. 4 billion, sorry. And this is 25% increase compared to last year. So that's amazing. Does any one of you know how many mobile views we're getting on a daily basis?
600 million.
Yay! Okay, the ones who get the right answers, stop by at the end of the session and I have a map for you. So if you want to have a nice Google map, please be interactive and answer my questions. So yeah, like in 2011 we have 600 millions of views coming from mobile devices, and this number tripled compared to last year when we had 200 million. So does anyone of you know how many hours of new videos we're getting every minute worldwide?
86 hours.
No. Someone else? No? We're getting 60 hours of new videos uploaded to YouTube every day. So like we talk for like a minute and there are 60 other hours of new videos to watch on YouTube. So if a person would want to watch all the videos that are being uploaded on YouTube, can you imagine he would need 360 computers around him to monitor all the content. And out of this content, 3 hours are coming from mobile devices. So it's not that much compared to 6 hours, but it's still a lot every minute, so yeah, it's a lot. So how about sharing? Like we know all these numbers about YouTube, but what's going with YouTube videos outside of YouTube? This is not the question, I will just tell you the answer. So yeah, we have 500 years of videos that are being watched on Facebook every day. 500 hours of videos, of YouTube videos are being watched on Facebook platform every day, and 700 videos are shared on Twitter every minute. So can you imagine how much traffic there is going on around YouTube videos? It's amazing. And next, we're going to see how these applications, how the sharing is going on with YouTube APIs. But first, I would like to know some more details about you. So do you watch YouTube videos? Do you have a YouTube account?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Do you upload videos to your account?
Yes.
Wow, I'm impressed. And does any one of you use the YouTube APIs? Okay, then you're going to learn a lot about YouTube APIs today. So, what are the APIs? The APIs are some libraries that you have access to, and these are basically some functions that we give you access to so that you can control YouTube videos and embed them on your website. So for example, if you have your own blog or website, and you would like to embed YouTube videos or to better monitor or do something with YouTube videos or YouTube platform generally, you would use the APIs to get the access to the videos to YouTube. So there are two APIs. There's the player API and the data API. So the player API, actually there are two player APIs. I'm going to show you later in the next slide. But this API lets you control the YouTube video playbacks on your website. So it allows you to change back the videos and to play the videos, to mute them, to pause, to view on full screen. So also using this API, you can configure the different settings of the YouTube player. So I'm going to show you next. I don't want to give you too many details about it in this slide, but you can do a lot of amazing things. The other API, data API, lets you actually incorporate different YouTube functionalities into your own application or website, but not related to embedding. So, for example, if you want to search for a certain type of result for a certain keyword, and you want to perform this search within your website, then you can incorporate one of the data API functionalities, and you can have the search box and everything in your website. So other features that you can do with data API is you can request, for example, a user to log in and to share with you his favorite videos, or to comment your videos, or to create playlists, to upload videos. So everything you do with an account. So whenever you have an account and you're authenticated with YouTube, and if you like another user to do the same on your website, you would have to use data API. So the player APIs, there are actually two APIs, as I told you before. There is the embedded player API that just lets you control the YouTube video on your website. You can pause, you can skip ahead, you can mute, you can unmute, you can play in full screen. You can also, using this API, you can pull different data about the player's status. So for example, if the video is playing, you can pull the status and get that the video is playing. And for example, you can have another action triggered by when the video is stopped, it reaches the end, for example. And there is the chromeless player, and it's basically the same as the embedded player. The only difference is that you can use a player with no control. So for example, if your website doesn't go at all with YouTube player, so for example, the colors of the YouTube player, you don't like the format and the look of the player, and you would like to create your own player, then you should use the chromeless player API, and then you can just embed the video, you can get the same data, but then you can create your own statistics of your own controls. And we're going to have a small player demo so you can easily understand what exactly it does. So do you have any questions so far? Okay, I'll go ahead with the demo, and then maybe you'll have questions after the demo. Okay, this is a little bit small, but at least it fits the screen. So here's an example I took from the Google developers website. So you can also go on this website and play with the demo. It's available for everyone. So for example, here you can choose the type of the player. So we'll start with the embedded player. And then you will see that when you play the video, you have all the controls available here, so you can mute the video. Yeah, I'm not sure we have, oh actually we do have the sound. So we can have the sound so we can actually hear. Yeah, I'm not sure it's working. Okay, so basically this. Okay, so you can just hear in the microphone. Unfortunately, the sound is not working. So here you can see like how I can play the video, I can mute the video, I can monitor the volume, I can play in full screen. So I have all the controls embedded on the developers.qouql.com website, which is not YouTube, of course. Then what else? Here you can have some statistics. So for example, the player state, as I told you here, you can see it's paused. So if I'm going to play, then you'll see it's playing. Also, you have some other data about the moment of the video when the video is playing, the different data about the quality, the available quality, the volume, and other information.